In this video, we'll show you how to extract data from any website using Browse AI, an incredibly powerful tool that makes web scraping and data extraction easier than ever. Whether you're new to the concept or looking for a more efficient solution, Browse AI is the perfect platform to get the job done quickly and accurately. Stay tuned to the end, and I'll share how you can start using this software completely free, with some exclusive bonuses you won't want to miss. Browse AI allows you to extract structured data from any website without needing any coding skills. Simply put, you can automate the process of gathering information from websites like product prices, reviews, or news articles, saving you hours of manual work. If you've ever wanted to collect large amounts of data but didn't know where to start, Browse AI has you covered. To get started, all you need to do is log into Browse AI, which offers a simple, intuitive interface. You can create a new robot by simply selecting the task you want to automate, like scraping product data or capturing tables from web pages. Browse AI uses machine learning to understand and replicate human browsing behavior, allowing it to extract data in a way that mimics how a person would interact with a website. Once you've set up your task, Browse AI will automatically navigate the site, identify the relevant data, and extract it for you. This could be anything from extracting text from specific HTML elements to downloading images or gathering contact information. It's an incredibly powerful tool, and the best part is that you don't need to be a developer to get it running. Now, one of the coolest features of Browse AI is its ability to handle dynamic content, which means it can scrape websites that load information through JavaScript. A lot of traditional web scrapers can handle this, but Browse AI can, making it more versatile and reliable. Whether you're scraping a product catalog or news site, Browse AI works seamlessly across different types of content. For beginners, the process is straightforward. You can use the built-in visual editor to point and click on the data you want to extract. No coding, no technical setup, just a few clicks, and you're done. And once your robot is set up, you can run it at scheduled intervals, collecting data on an ongoing basis, whether that's once a day, week, or month. In terms of integrations, Browse AI makes it easy to download the data you collect in different formats, such as CSV, JSON, or Excel, so you can use it in your existing workflow. This is especially helpful if you're running data-driven marketing campaigns or need to analyze the data in a spreadsheet. So if you've ever found yourself frustrated with the limitations of traditional data extraction tools, Browse AI is a game changer. It's designed for anyone, whether you're a marketer, researcher, or developer, to get fast and accurate data from websites without needing technical knowledge. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can get access to Browse AI completely free through the first link below. I've also got an exclusive bonus offer, giving you an extended free trial so you can explore even more features. Browse AI is a fantastic tool to streamline your data extraction process, and I highly recommend giving it a try. To wrap up, Browse AI is an amazing tool for extracting data from any website with ease, and if you're looking for a simple, no-code solution, it's one of the best out there. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive bonus and free trial, and get started with Browse AI today.